All right, so this is my final project. A little bit about myself. My name is Melanie Tomat. I am a senior at the University of South Florida. I'm in my third year. I'm also a health science major with a concentration in health management. And then for my intended career, I would like to pursue health service management. So a little bit about the profession itself. It is I like to describe it as kind of like the business aspect of the healthcare system. The main focus is to direct, plan, and organize medical and health services for a certain facility. They can manage entire facilities as well as specific departments or clinical areas. A lot of times people just assume it's like a hospital setting that they manage, but a lot of times it can just be like a rehab center or a nursing home or something similar to that. In addition, they want to ensure that facilities and departments they're working in are compliant with the current laws and regulations of healthcare. And a lot of times health managers work closely with healthcare professionals, and that includes having lots of meetings with local health and human services representatives, as well as meetings with other higher-ups like regional and state agencies. This way they can make sure that they are compliant with the current healthcare system and that those facilities will give the most quality care that they can give. And those are some of the daily duties that entail a health service manager. A lot of what I just mentioned, in addition to keeping up with laws and regulations and making sure they are up to date constantly, and they know all the new ones that are coming out, so they stay up to date with that. They also will manage finances on a daily basis just to ensure that that healthcare facility is working efficiently. And basically, they're just playing that administrative role that is needed within any organization. And those roles are needed in all types of healthcare settings, which range from nursing homes, nursing home managers, clinical managers, health informatics managers, and hospital service managers. So there is kind of like a wide range of things you can do if you're pursuing a career such as this one. So, how to become a health service manager? It's not terribly difficult. Basically, you just need a bachelor's in a relevant field such as health administration, health management, even nursing or public health, etc. Something along those lines of management, a health major, something along those lines can help you get a job as a health service manager. A lot of times experience is preferred, but is not always required, but it does just look better and your chances of getting hired will be better. While master's degrees are not always required, some higher up roles and positions will need a master's degree or they will need extended experience within that field. And currently there's no special certificates or exams required in order to become a health service manager. So a little bit more on the field, the career I'm looking at. There are no license or certificates that are required in order to pursue this field, as I previously mentioned. There are, however, lots of different professional organizations you can join that can help you pursue a career in this field. One professional health organization related to this field is the American College of Healthcare Executives, and they're basically looking to improve healthcare, and they want to improve access to care and health, and like improving overall health by creating leaders for this field. So creating those administrative and management leaders that are very vital to the health of our healthcare system. And then another medical group or another professional health organization that is relevant is the Medical Group Management Association. And here they're more so relying on creating peer-to-peer relationships as well as mentor-to-peer relationships in order to create those leaders that are needed within our healthcare system. And they're going to help you with certifications and how to be a successful student and helping you with networking and just like giving you more information in order to find a job in this career and be successful. So, in conclusion, for myself, I'm looking to graduate in May of 2019, this coming spring, and hopefully by then I'll be a little bit before then, I'd like to be looking for jobs within my field. So yeah, and I put July, I'll be looking for jobs within my field as well. Hopefully I'll be finding something around that time so I can start in August of 2019 and through August of 2020. I decided on taking a gap year because while I am interested in this field, I want to make sure that this is like exactly what I want to do. So I want to take a year and try to work within that field to see if this is what I want. And then hopefully by January 2020, I can attend grad school in something something that I for sure know that I am interested in. And then hopefully after 2 years of grad school, then I can begin my career as a potential health service manager. Thanks for watching my presentation, and these are my references.